The energy sector is changing very fast, and we are delivering energy services or digital services to support energy transition. So we have built a platform, a robust architecture where we upload services, digital services that could work to do energy efficiency and to promote access to renewables, to renewable energy, and to allow the creation of new business models that finally aim to allow new participants to participate in the energy market. We have built a platform where we offer services for digitalization of energy. Our clients can reach digital services to do energy efficiency and to have new ways of monetize the energy efficiency in their buildings or industries. We have thought in three main areas. The first one is that we want to review the business strategy at short and long time. As we work with the CAS Business School, actually working with the Austral group as well, they help us to define the strategy, and we want to do a review of it because it was last year, and we have been developing that strategy, and we want to have a review of that strategy 1 year later. Also, because the crisis, the COVID crisis, we launched a new business line, and we want to define if we should work with that product or that service as a new business line or to do a spin-off. And the third one is to review some business processes, the marketing to lead, the order to catch, opportunity to order.